there, welcome to Mobile Tech Explorer. In this video, I will show you main mobile manufacturing components in depth, so let's get started. There are 10 main components to manufacturing a phone. 1. Processor. 2. Memory. 3. Storage. 4. Display. 5. Battery. 6. Camera. 7. Printed circuit board. 8. Audio components. 9. RF components. 10. Operating system. So I will explain abbreviations, definition, types, evolution, best companies of manufacturing these parts, so watch the complete video. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell